Where is it? Oh, it's humping the door. Oh my god.
Get it out!
Psst. This way.
Out!
Here, birdie, birdie.
If it shits on my flash.
Who do you call? Who do you call? Here, birdie. Do we just... How do we do this?
I don't know.
Psst.
I've never had to chase pigeons. And you've been sleeping with it open every night, huh?
Yeah, but I keep my drapes closed. Hey, that way. That way. Shoot. Get your bread. You know where there's bread? Through that door.
Well, maybe we can like open the door and get it into the hallway and get it out.
Into what? The bathroom?
No, we did the hallway of the hotel. Let them deal with it.
That's a good idea. Hi.
This is America. They should just ask that.
Go down. Go. Oh, there. Oh, hi.
So you're gorgeous.
Go this way.
I asked them to see if people would look back there, so I put myself a second.
Shoot.
What did you say?
What's your name, birdie?
How'd you get a ticket? What do you mean you're here? Oh, I was like, she's so pretty. No, I'm
Not happy.
you.
This way. It's not gonna follow us.
Dude, you know what? Turn all the lights off. This is what we used to do in the hotel. Turn all the lights off, and it'll go towards the only light.
The lights are in the hallway. I
Damn!
Like Bear Bears when he was a boy. We are, I'm not sorry, but you mentioned
Oh, come on. How do you turn this damn light off? Okay. Shh.
No, I tried to look like Kate Hudson, but ended up looking like a golden retriever
Get
stable
behind
birdie.
it.
You, look at your cute little dress. Little, I'm like a size 100 now.
Oh my god.
Where is it? This way, this way.
Go.
Come this way.
Go. Go. No, go.
Keep shooting it this way. This way. Close my computer.
Hey, it keeps going back to the bed now. Go. Move.